Oh no! Oh, Austin, no! Something smells electrically hot up in there. 'Twas the night before a wheeling trip, and all through the shop, Austin's buggy parts were strewn because his speakers made a big pop. So, in typical fashion, here we are. It's like, I think, 11:30. Going on a ride tomorrow, and got to pull the cage on this buggy because Mr. Austin, who has the world's roughest 750 mile XP1000 with the dented in roof and everything else, she's here to party, has no speakers. And mine is in here. It needs an oil change. Well, it's also 30 degrees outside, so pressure washer's in here. Jetstream's still in here in disarray. Chevelle's in and over there. Everything's just crammed in here. You know, one of them things. If you build a shop way bigger than you need it, you're still gonna need a bigger shop. Well, I guess there's worse things I could be complaining about than this thing being in my way. Oh no, I have to move it. I gotta get the cage off this thing, get down in behind the dash because it's kind of a notorious issue with this thing. Those speakers like to go out. The MTX audio, 10 out of 10, do not recommend. The garbage system from Super HP, but it has wiring issues all the time. So we've still got draw down there on the power cable there going to the amp. We got draw, so that tells you that it's at least got power to the amp, but there's going to be a wiring issue to the speakers still, yet and still. And the sub also sounds like a wet fart. If we get it working, I'll show y'all. So yeah, here we go. Typical riding prep trip. And mine also, I don't have any spare axles on this one. Quick rundown of everything is just broken, just sitting here. Little brother washed them, did a great job. That door's kind of whooped. You know, that tree kicker is kind of whooped. My winch is still not recovered from the great winch fire of 2025 spring, and it's also missing a rope, so that's just kind of there for decoration purposes at this point. But yeah, so got to get this one's engine oil changed and try to get that one's speakers fixed. And I've also got my suspension crunk a little bit higher than I'd like it, but I don't think I'm going to get to that before this ride. Also, my speaker price, or my cooler price, smells like Badussi, so I'm going to have to potentially try to clean that out, or I'll just put a different cooler in it because... Oh God, no. Okay, yeah, I don't know what's in there, but nothing good. Some scientists ain't discovered all the shit that's growing in that cooler. Let's check Austin's out. Oh gosh. Oh, his ain't bad. His just smells like a swimming pool. His is prepared. Hell, throw some ice in her. She's ready to rock and roll. His doors are all beat up too. Oh gosh. So yeah, the old amperage draw test. We got draw, so I don't know. Yeah, gotta get the cage off of her. Old bent old cage. It's actually not bent, but the frame is definitely bent. I mean, look at that. Look at that offset. This wheel's it has 3-inch forward offset A-arms. Well, this side of the frame's bent backwards 3 inches, so this one's just back at stock height. That one's for you know, extension action. So if you need extended A-arms, forward extension, you use the driver's side. If you need standard length, you use the passengers. You got to get this dash part out, and the wiring issue is probably somewhere in that vicinity. The amp is up above the steering column, underneath the dash, behind the gauge cluster, so you can't get to it without pulling the dash. Just an awesome design. And then, of course, you know, everyone likes a nice low dash bar, so you can't get it off. I actually don't know if this cage has been loose since the frame got bent or not, so let's see how bad this is. Oh, if I can get the impact on it. Oh, ew, uh-oh. That might not be fun to put back together. That's a little, a little out of alignment there, buddy. Let's see about the driver's side. It should be good on the driver's side, or even worse. You never know. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, look at it. See, that's the way it's supposed to be, but the passenger side's whooped, as one would say. Hey, I bet our wiring issue somewhere in this Ratatouille Casa del Sol. Oh, could it have something to do with the open indoor use RGA plug? I mean, that's just genius, guys. Come on now. What the fuck? These have probably got a lot to do with it right here. It's always been a wiring issue. I don't know. Let's see. I didn't put this system in, so I don't know where our split comes from, but I say it has something to do with... Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, the front bumper's falling off. Uh-oh. What we got going on? What? Why is it leaning like that? Oh. Oh. Austin, no. Oh, no. Oh, we need a bolt. Stat. What the hell? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. All right, so bar the bumper got falling off. I just figured that out here when I leaned on it. Yeah, I don't know really what I'm looking at here, but I know it's a mess. So I'm probably gonna let homeboy handle that. Yeah, there's another indoor use plug just chilling in the outdoors. I mean, that's just swoofed right there. There's another swoofed connection point. What is that labeled as? REM? I don't know what that would mean. Remainder of my sanity, maybe. It's just, yeah. That's just quality there. Quality. Yeah, well, we'll wait for Austin now. And you know what? If this don't work and we can't figure this out, we'll just strap that unit in there. Or maybe we could get frisky with it, get some big old hose clamps, and go right there with it, because we don't have time to get a new stereo system for this buggy. Whoa! Whoa! Watch that! There's PG-13 stuff here, son. We got oil draining.
Speakerage going on.
We got riggage going on. It's like 6 o'clock. We're supposed to leave about right now. And yeah, Austin's buggy's still in disarray.
At least we can
So
see it though, so it's over the mud.
I'm not really sure what this methery he has going on here right now is. I just got here. Something smells electrically hot up in there. Out there on a serious business phone transaction. Oh my God. All right, well, we better put this hog back together and strap that JBL in there, because we're supposed to be leaving like right now. Oh, what you got there, hoss cat? Little piece of rubber hose. You're actually like seriously doing that.
Here, we're going like right
Oh
there.
God.
Oh, I fucking missed it. God damn it. You kidding me? Look at that fucking bullshit. I can't even see.
Oh, we've had a great flood. But Big Dog said it just came off. Oh my God, it's back together. Badussi cooler. And just like that, we are on the road, making our first stop here at the Chicken Lick gas station. And we were supposed to leave like, I don't know, 5 hours ago, but we're on the road. Ain't we, son? Where we at? Chicken Lick gas station. Son.